Welcome to the next tutorial, and here I'm going to teach you how to change default jumping animation. As you can see, my guy is doing splits while he is jumping, and I think it's hilarious, but you can come up with your own animations and you can replace those default animations. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. How to change jump animation. By the way, very new update was released by Roblox. And the Roblox released a new update and it's all now dark and the UI stuff is located differently. All of that is different. Also pay attention, I'm using the dark theme, but everything else should be the same. But as of 28 September, Roblox did release a new UI. So as a first step, you have to create animation and the rig. For that, watch a previous lesson. I'm not going to show you how to make animation. This is in the previous lesson. Here I have previously, in my previous lesson, I created this rig and here we have this animation. So I already have an animation here, and if you don't have it, you have to watch the previous lesson for it. So if I click the animation, you can see this guy is animating. And fun fact, as you can notice, the jumping animation stops around 7 seconds, and after 7 seconds it's always the same. Why? Because jump animation and falling animations are different animations. So that is a big difference. But anyway, if you make a jump animation, usually around 7 seconds, it stays the same, and all the way to the end it's the same. You have to publish animation. You will get an ID and you have to save it. Okay, so let's do that. So we have this jumping animation open here, and here we have 3 dots. You have to click on this one. So I click on this one and there we have published to Roblox. It will open up a window. Here what is important is this save button. We click on the save button and now we submit it, and here we have this copy icon. We have to copy this ID because we are going to use that one. So I copied it. As of the third step, we have to open Animate script, change the value of animation ID for jumping inside of our Explorer view. Okay, I have Explorer view here, and here we have the rig. The rig is from the previous lesson, as I mentioned before, and inside of rig we have this Animate script. Okay, we click on this drop button there. The drop icon was there, and now the Animate script is open. Inside of here we have a lot of animations. Okay, we have a lot of animations here, and we are interested of this jump animation. We open up the jump animation, and inside of here we have this JumpAnim. So I click on this one, and in my properties view, that's the properties view here on the right hand side. If you don't have properties view open, you have to open it, and in my previous lessons I taught you this, how to do it. But very quickly you can open properties window. In this new design there's a home, and here is this properties. Click this one and the properties view will open up. So once we click on this JumpAnim, we can see it's nice and blue here. Here we have this animation ID. We have to replace this animation ID here in this URL. So basically click on this one. You have to scroll all the way up here. I can make it longer, this view, then you can see better. There is a URL of this asset ID, and here I replace it with an ID. And now there is a new animation ID stored. Okay, copy the Animate script into StarterCharacterScripts. That here we have this Animate script that we just changed. You have to click on it, right mouse click, and here we have this copy. We click on the copy. Now this Animate script is copied into our clipboard, and now we scroll all the way down, and here we have StarterCharacterScripts. It's inside of Starter Player. So if the Starter Player is closed, you have to open Starter Player, and here we have this StarterCharacterScripts. I click on the StarterCharacterScripts and I click paste into, and as you can see, now we have StarterCharacterScript, and here we have Animate script. So that is the new Animate script. Why we do it? Basically every script that is located inside of StarterCharacterScripts is given to new characters. Alright, so my guy is running, and if I jump, you can see it's doing this jumping animation. Isn't that cool? I hope you found the video useful, and I hope you see you in the next lesson.